What is going on? Alright, so I decided to just make the first video right off the bat. Obviously just like, subscribe, whatever it is that YouTube people say. I'm not a YouTuber. It's literally just to be able to reach as many people as possible and help as many people as possible, because I always get DMs or messages about, you know, what drives me, what I did to get out of the situation I was in, to get to the situation that I'm in right now, and what is the vision for me. So for anybody who does not know, I'm originally from Africa, the Congo. I came to the United States in about 2003, December, and essentially I've been here. English is not my first language, had to learn that. My dad died in 2004, literally the year after we got here, so I was raised by a single mother with a household of about 7, and now we are where we are. So for things that I've accomplished since getting to the United States, so obviously learning English was a big thing. That's kind of necessary in terms of communication, which is probably one of the things I'm going to talk about as we have this channel and as we go forward with the channel. But I got my high school degree in 2010. I got a scholarship for soccer, messed that up, 2011. Went to community college, got another scholarship for soccer in 2013, messed that up, and went back to community college. Got my associate's degree, 2-year degree. First one in December of 2014, so it took me 4 years to get a 2-year degree. And then the second one, I got it a semester after in 2015. Joined the Army right before finishing my first associate. And after that, I essentially joined the reserve because I got accepted into East Stroudsburg University, Pennsylvania. Shout out to them. That's where I got my bachelor's a year and a half later, and I actually joined ROTC and commissioned in the Army in 2018 while also getting my master's. So just a background in terms of my degrees. First degree I got was an accounting degree, an associate's in accounting. Second degree that I got was business administration. That's an associate's degree as well. Got a bachelor's in business management and business entrepreneurship. Also got my master's in organizational leadership, a certificate in supply chain management and operations management. So I'm gonna stay with the topics of things that I know. In terms of things that I'm looking to talk about, credit repair is number one, without having to pay for it or pay people to do something that you can do for yourself. Budgeting, investing, do-it-yourself projects that I do around the house, learning how to use simple tools that we really didn't learn how to use, and we are overpaying people to do things that we can do ourselves. So I'm gonna definitely touch into that. So just my personal journey that I'm gonna dive deeper into in other videos is my credit journey. So my first time checking my credit, it was a 710, and that was from buying cars when I was 16. So I've owned probably around 15 cars since my first car at 15 when I bought my mom's car. And then I co-signed with a family member for his car. He never made a payment. Dropped my credit score to about 545. I think it's the lowest it's ever been in 2012 or 2013. One of the two, I forgot what it was. I think it was 2013. And now I actually have an 804 credit score. With the journey that I've had with my wife, Sierra, we've owned together probably around 4, 5, 6 maybe different cars. And we've also purchased our second home. We just bought our second home. So we own a rental property back in Pennsylvania, and we just bought our second home in Texas, which we're going to dive into that journey as well. But unofficially, officially, this is the first video for my YouTube channel. I know I'm not making a lot of eye contact because I'm kind of driving. What I do want to see here as I finish this video is a lot of likes, thumbs up, thumbs down on how this went. Comments on what you think I could improve. Comments on what you think I should talk about that I didn't go over in the video. Obviously, there's going to be more than what I said here because I didn't have a whiteboard here to say, okay, this is what I'm going to cover, etc., etc. But definitely like, subscribe, share, and get this video out there. That way, when I finally drop content in terms of whatever the first video is going to be, we have people that are going to get help. I'm not doing this for money. I don't intend on ever blowing up and become a 1 million subscriber channel. My goal is literally to show people that they could do what I did. I've never in my life made more than 6 figures. I've never in my life made more than 50K until about last year, I think it is, or 2 years ago. And all of that, with all of that, I still got my credit score up to about, I think it was a 750, and I never made over 50K. Actually, when I was going through school, I never made more than 30K. Sierra was actually the breadwinner in the family while I was doing my master's. So I just want people to know that it's possible to succeed no matter where you are, as long as you learn how to budget, as long as you stick to that budget, and as long as you understand that to be able to help others, you need to learn how to help yourself. I love every single one of you. Literally, the reason for this is to make sure that we all elevate. There's enough food on the table for everyone. And I don't think that only a certain amount of people are supposed to win. I think everybody should win. Everybody should be in a better situation than they were growing up, or in a better situation than they are today, which is always the goal. So, like, share, subscribe, follow me, and let's elevate together.